Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Posse Scholarship account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. You cannot directly sign up for the Posse Scholarship yourself. Students must be nominated by their high schools or a community-based organization. Reach out to your high school counselor or a trusted teacher and let them know you are interested in Posse Scholarship and see if they know of any upcoming nominations. Once you are nominated for Posse Scholarship, get to the official website by typing in possefoundation.org on a web browser. You will then end up in the official website for Posse. From the main homepage, go to the login option at the top of the screen and select Nominee Portal option. Now, go ahead and fill in the rest of the information provided by your university or your college. Enter the email address and then your password in the text boxes and click on the Sign In button to access to your Posse Scholarship account. Remember that if you're not nominated yet, you will need to be first nominated by your high school or community-based organization in one of Posse's city to access your Posse application. So that is how you will be able to sign up or access Posse Scholarship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.